Hey, Happy New Year's, everybody. Best of wishes to all. I recently posted a question on YouTube asking how many of you think that resonance suppressors or, spectral compressors are ruining music. But a lot of people actually said yes, they are ruining music. So my question would always be like, why? Why do you think that? Is it ruining your music? Does it sound bad in your productions? Or can you actually hear that in other people's songs? So can you actually play Spotify, hear somebody's song and say, oh, there's somebody using Soothe or Mspectraldynamics or whatever, and it's ruined the song. So you actually hear that in somebody else's song, so you can say it's ruining music. Are you hearing that, as I said, are you hearing that in your own productions? Or is that somebody else's influence? So did somebody tell you that it's ruining music, and that's somebody being more experienced than you, or somebody super professional whose mixes you really, like and respect their work and knowledge, and you just, listen to them and took over, their opinion for your own. Even if you do take somebody else's opinion based on, their knowledge and experience, which is all fine, but did you check it yourself? This is not a rigorous thing that takes 10 years of testing and, test groups and placebo, stuff like that. So you could just check it out yourself and see, does it work for you in specific use cases that somebody else says they actually work in or don't work in, whatever. Probably take you like half an hour. So what I'm trying to say, it's not just about the resonance suppressors or, a specific effect. I think I see this trend more and more in many things, not just for this. The same thing about clippers, same thing as about many other effects that, a certain portion of people are going to say are wrong, and people are just going to parrot it out and not even check themselves, or they are going to check themselves and say it's ruining everything. It's not. Maybe it's you ruining your music. Maybe it doesn't work for your genre of music. Maybe it doesn't work for your particular, productions. So my main point is, these are just audio processing effects. I don't think we can generalize them as like being bad or good. Like maybe a specific reverb sounds shitty, and even that one might be good for a specific, thing, which is going to appear in somebody's $1 million production. You're going to love it and say, oh, I never used this. Like I hated it, but they found a way to utilize it and it sounds great just because it has that color it has, unique and maybe bad, but it just worked, specific use case. So I don't think we can generalize things and say, don't use clipping, don't use spectral dynamics. In the end, if you don't like it, don't use it. Even some of the accidents, like all 4 buttons in, like the 1176 compressor, are something that somebody has done and maybe it was not supposed to be done, as it wasn't, but in the end everybody wanted to use it, even in the plug-in version of it. So yeah, test the stuff yourself, see if it actually works for you. And most of the things that sound original in music production are done unconventionally. I don't think that these are unconventional in any way. I'm just saying that I think I see a trend, just certain things being parroted out, being dismissed as bad or good, regardless of the situation they're meant to be used in or not. A lot of things are not good for any situation, and that's okay, completely okay. So yeah, that's my point. And if you want to learn more about music production, spectral dynamics processors, or, clippers or whatnot, go to mixingacademy.com. I have a course 40 plus hours long, which is completely free thanks to 11.org. See you in the next video.